In this video, I'll talk about the fastest and new best ways to make money on YouTube. Now, most people quit on YouTube because they do not make money fast enough. They believe that they need to have a perfect niche, a million views, 1,000 subscribers, or maybe 4,000 watch hours for them to start making money on YouTube. But after 3 years working as a digital marketer, I have seen two YouTubers in the same niche, one making $500 per month and the other making $10,000 per month. But then what surprised the channel that makes more money from the one that makes less money is the monetization strategies that they use. Therefore, I'm going to share with you the 5 fastest and new best ways to make money on YouTube so that you can start making money from day one and using the best method that suits you and your channel. Strategy number 1 is the fastest way to make money on YouTube because it does not require any funnel, does not require you to have any audience for you to start making money. It only needs one thing, and that thing is the one thing that you already have, which is your expertise or knowledge. When you understand the expertise or knowledge that you have about a particular skill, a particular industry that you have, you can use that skill to start making money as early as possible from just posting a first video on YouTube. But then for this to work out, you need to be consistently showing up. It will need you to spend a little bit of time for you to attend and also consistently show up for you to make money. And strategy number 1 is one-on-one coaching or consulting. So one-on-one coaching or consulting, this is where you share about your expertise or maybe about the knowledge that you have with one person at a time, trying to help them to get the best or desired outcome or result on the challenges that they are facing. So the best part of this is that it can happen as fast as possible, simply because if someone can understand your expertise, can know the things that you're good at, it is easier for them to come to you to get a coaching, to consult with you about the things that you have. The only thing that you need to do is to get them the desired result or help them or guide them to the desired result that they want. If you can do that, you can charge as early as possible on YouTube. Strategy number 2, this is the fastest and also highest paying way to make money on YouTube because it's the one that is mostly being used by a lot of creators, a lot of entrepreneurs on YouTube. So for this strategy is similar to one-on-one coaching, but the difference with it is that you spend less time with people, clients, and also work with a lot of clients at one time. And this is strategy number 2, which is group coaching. So group coaching or consulting is where you help someone to get the desired result or maybe an outcome on the expertise that you have in one session. So you have a lot of people who come to you, you organize a time when you can have a meeting, and so you coach them about the challenges and the problems that they have and you provide the solutions to them. The other thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have the right expertise and also trust yourself to provide the services that those people need so that you get to provide the desired outcome or results to the things that they want. The best part about this is that you'll be making more money and spending less time, simply because you'll be working with a lot of people. You organize maybe a time, then a lot of people come, then you work with them. In that period, you manage to attend to a lot of people at one time. But one thing you should understand about this strategy is that people do not just pay for information, they just don't want to be told theories, what they want, results, they want outcomes. If there's a community, they want to be feel like they belong to a community who want to achieve their goal. They also you need also to keep them accountable so that they should be taking the necessary steps to achieve the results. So focus much more on getting the results, getting the outcomes that they want, rather than just providing information and theories that people won't even use. So strategy number 3, this is the fastest and also the newest way and how people are making a lot of money on YouTube because it's being used by a lot of creators, a lot of entrepreneurs on YouTube. And the two best things about this way is that it has a fast way of generating money on YouTube, and it's also easy to scale to a lot of people, to a lot of clients that you can work with, and it's going to help you. But the common challenge with this strategy that most people face is that the pricing is very low, simply because it's easy to scale, it's a fast money, and you need to put a lower price for it to work and for you to get the desired results out of it. Strategy number 3 is offering workshops or challenges. This is where you spend 1 to 3 days of challenge or maybe live workshop, working with people live in real time, helping them to get the desired result. This is one of the best and fastest way that you can use to start generating income and organizing it at the very time when you're just starting your YouTube channel. So strategy number 4, this is one of the highest and most paying way on generating money on YouTube, because it's very easy to set up, it's very easy to start, but the challenge with it is that it takes a lot of time and it's hard for it to scale. It needs a lot of a lot of things to be in place for it to be to be scaled, maybe to get a lot of clients and to work with a lot of people, and you also need takes a lot of time. So strategy number 4 is offering done for you services. Instead of you teaching them how to do something, on how to go about something so that they achieve the results, you get their work and do it for them. So this is one of the ways that people are using YouTube or maybe social media. I think you've seen some of the ways that people are making money online. So for this strategy is that you sell execution, you sell done for your service, you focus on doing the work. The challenge with this one is that you need to have people in the background working for you or working with you so that you get to organize the work so that they should be done in time, or maybe it should be done in the right way that it needed to be done. So strategy number 5 is one of the common and best ways that you can use to make money. This is because it's going to generate income monthly and it's going to be consistent, and it's easy for it to scale, it's easy for it to not to also set up. But the common challenge with this strategy is that it starts slow. You need spend a lot of time for you to organizing, but once it starts, it's going to generate a lot of income. So strategy number 5 is using communities. This is where you gather or invite people to join your community, and you also provide a service and offering them ways in which you can help them to get the results that they want. And in that group or maybe in that community, they pay a monthly subscription. In that monthly subscription, that's how you're going to earn some money from the subscription that people are paying. And the more people you have, the more money you're going to make. The less people you have, the less money you're going to make on that. So the best way to go about this strategy is not just to focus about the content or maybe the information that you are making, is to make people feel like they belong. They want to feel the connection, that they're in a group of like-minded people who want to achieve the same result, the same goal. Once you make them feel that way, feel like they're in a group where they just like the same with others, it's easier for them to stay longer in that community, and it's easier for them to invite others to join you. But then the common challenge that most people face is that they do not know how to make money also without followers, without subscribers. And I did that. So if you're interested in knowing how I did that, I'm sharing with you in this video, where I'm inviting you to watch that video. And if you're going to learn how I made my first $1,000 online without followers, without subscribers. So I say thank you for watching and reaching this far. I hope this video helps, and see you in the next one.